Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Peace Corner, and today I'm going to be showing you how we make this beautiful hairstyle using yeye wool. And in total we use 7 yeye wool. So I'll just cut knotless box size of hair. Then I will add the yeye wool one after the other. I'm picking one strand of yeye wool until I get to, I think I used 8 or 10 strands of yeye wool for each twist, sorry. So that's what I did all through the hair. So sit, relax, and enjoy the video. I will see you at the end of the video. Enjoy. So guys, this is the final look, and we are done with the picking. So we've cut the excess part of the hair, and then we have dipped it inside hot water, and then this is the final look. I hope you learned one or two from this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Turn up the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Please like, comment, share, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.